Does GDPR compliance requiring user consent for training AI models? In today's fast-paced world of technology, a pressing question is on everyone's mind. Does general data protection regulation compliance requiring user consent for training artificial intelligence models? With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, understanding the legal landscape is more important than ever. Just yesterday, discussions around this topic gained momentum as organizations assess their data practices in light of evolving regulations. Under the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, using personal data for training artificial intelligence models generally requires informed user consent. This regulation serves as a rights-based data protection framework, imposing strict limitations on how personal data can be processed. If personal data is involved in training an artificial intelligence system, organizations must obtain clear and informed consent from individuals before utilizing their data. Key points to consider include the regulation's enforcement of the right to be informed and to control how personal data is used. Training artificial intelligence models with personal data is considered processing that necessitates a lawful basis, most commonly consent. Consent must be specific, freely given, informed, and unambiguous. Users should fully understand that their data will be used to train artificial intelligence models and the potential implications of that use. Additionally, the regulation supports other rights such as the right to erasure. This can complicate artificial intelligence training since, once data is incorporated into a model, removing its influence can be quite challenging. The General Data Protection Regulation's protections go beyond consent, requiring transparency, data minimization, and accountability in artificial intelligence data processing. Moreover, newer regulations and sector-specific laws, such as the New York Fashion Workers Act, introduce additional consent requirements for artificial intelligence-generated replicas or models. This reflects the growing regulatory attention to artificial intelligence and personal data. In essence, General Data Protection Regulation compliance for artificial intelligence training typically mandates obtaining user consent when personal data is involved. Organizations must ensure transparency and respect data subject rights throughout the artificial intelligence lifecycle to meet General Data Protection Regulation standards. As the conversation around artificial intelligence and data privacy continues to evolve, staying informed is key for both organizations and individuals.